The paradox of simplicity, high-paying remote jobs requiring basic computer skills. 1. Rethinking the remote economy. It is a prevailing misconception that only highly specialized technical skills, such as programming, artificial intelligence, or blockchain, yield high-paying remote employment. Recent labor market data, however, reveal a compelling contradiction. Numerous remote positions exceeding $70,000 in annual compensation require no more than basic computer proficiency. The primary reason these roles are frequently overlooked is their perceived simplicity and lack of novelty. As society aggressively pivots toward upskilling in advanced tech, a silent and robust demand has emerged for individuals equipped merely with functional digital literacy. 2. Excel specialist, digital infrastructure architect. Proficiency in Microsoft Excel remains a foundational competency across industries. Excel specialists are pivotal in transforming raw data into actionable intelligence. By employing advanced formulas, pivot tables, and automation tools, these professionals streamline workflows and reduce inefficiencies. Salary ranges from $55,000 to $89,000 annually, with a median near $70,000. Notably, one practitioner publicly documented increasing his compensation by $80,000 through process optimization. Excel's pervasiveness across LinkedIn and enterprise job boards, where over 31,000 listings are currently available, confirms its enduring relevance. 3. Data entry clerk, order through precision. Though often dismissed as monotonous, data entry roles remain essential to organizational integrity. These clerks ensure information is correctly digitized, categorized, and retrievable. With compensation ranging from $34,000 to $47,000, these positions reward accuracy and consistency. Current listings exceed 33,000. The requisite skills, basic typing proficiency, attention to detail, and digital literacy, make this an accessible option for many, particularly those capable of sustained focus. 4. Ad sales associate, broker of digital real estate. Advertising sales associates serve as intermediaries between companies seeking visibility and platforms offering digital exposure. The role blends salesmanship, marketing acumen, and data interpretation. Compensation varies widely but can begin in the $50,000 range and scale upward with commissions. With more than 66,000 current opportunities, the field is vast. Required competencies include negotiation, persuasive communication, and basic understanding of digital advertising platforms. Success is contingent upon the capacity to quantify return on investment for clients. 5. Customer service representative, human interface specialist. In an era of automation, human-centered service remains irreplaceable. Customer service representatives, CSRs, address queries, resolve conflicts, and ensure client satisfaction. Salaries range from $36,000 to $51,000. Former industry professionals note the job's suitability for those balancing work with education or family obligations. Over 127,000 listings are active, underscoring strong demand. Core skills include communication, conflict resolution, and emotional regulation, often overlooked, yet vital. 6. Listing specialist, curator of real estate assets. Real estate listing specialists coordinate property marketing, manage multimedia assets, and prepare homes for digital presentation. Compensation typically ranges from $41,000 to $67,000, excluding commission. Practitioners appreciate the role's structured schedule and centrality in the sales process. With approximately 29,000 roles listed online, the job remains in steady demand. Success requires organizational prowess, basic photography knowledge, and professional communication. 7. Sales Development Representative, SDR, Revenue Pipeline Engineer. SDRs are responsible for identifying, qualifying, and transferring potential clients to closing teams. Often the starting point for lucrative sales careers, these roles can yield $65,000 to over $102,000, with high performers earning significantly more. Over 32,000 postings attest to continued market need. Successful SDRs exhibit resilience, critical research capabilities, and relentless follow-up skills. This career path can serve as a launching pad for six-figure roles in enterprise software sales. 8. Follow-up specialist, sustainer of sales momentum. Operating as liaisons between initial client contact and final sale, follow-up specialists maintain client engagement. Salaries range from $44,000 to $66,000. These professionals ensure that no opportunity is lost due to neglect. Over 31,000 jobs are listed. Required skills include organization, concise communication, and a disciplined follow-up cadence. Their presence within sales operations is increasingly vital in competitive markets. 9. Pay-per-click, PPC, specialist, digital traffic strategist. PPC specialists orchestrate paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google and Facebook. This role demands analytic thinking, marketing fundamentals, and Excel proficiency. Salaries typically begin around $48,000 and rise to $79,000 plus, with experienced practitioners earning six figures. The field enables remote freelancing or entrepreneurial ventures. Over 29,000 jobs are currently available. As advertising continues its migration from print to digital, PPC expertise becomes increasingly valuable. 10. Inside sales representative, remote revenue producer. Inside sales professionals engage prospective clients through digital channels, calls, video conferencing, and email, to close sales. Salaries range from $63,000 to over $102,000, often supplemented by substantial commissions. Success stories from the field include earnings exceeding $140,000 within short periods. With 66,000 plus roles listed, demand is robust. Required skills include persuasive communication, CRM fluency, and solution-based selling. 11. Final considerations, accessibility and scalability. While these roles may appear simplistic in scope, they collectively illustrate a democratization of remote work. Basic digital literacy now enables access to high-paying employment, contradicting narratives that emphasize only advanced technical mastery. As industries adapt to remote infrastructure, these roles present not just entry points but potential career escalators. Education platforms such as Coursera, edX, and company training modules allow for low-cost skill acquisition. Strategic selection and consistency, not coding, may be the defining variables of success in the modern labor market.